Hey guys, this is Caleb Harbert. I am the owner of Precision Cut Lawn Service out of the Indianapolis market, and then also the founder of the Service Estimator. I wanted to show off our plowing estimator to you guys. I had a client here in our market ask for a quote, and I'm just going to show you how easy the tool is. So I already sent out the quote to the client and everything else and put them in the system correctly, but I'll show you a test of it. So this is their property. It's a pretty simple parking lot. So here's the parking lot function. You just click, map the property real fast. You can be as detailed or undetailed as you want based upon how you actually quote. It's a small parking lot, so I'm pretty sure it's like right at our minimum. Then you can go to sidewalks. You just mark the sidewalks. And then the part that's most important, you tell your crews where we're going to pile the snow. So then there's no confusion. So then after that, it shows the quote. It is completely customizable, so this is actually editable. If you notice that it gave you $162.50, I don't like change, so I'm going to make it $165. Click save the price, and then I'm going to edit this real fast and just change it to what it should be, $165, and then we charge 50% more per 2-inch increment, so then this will be $245, and then I'm going to even put that in here, 80 per 10-inch. Then you're able to change anything you want in it. Now this is pretty close to accurate, but we're not going to lay quite 200 pounds. We lay about 10 pounds per 1,000, so we just put that at 75. We will say the application minimum is correct, and then we now charge actually 60 cents a pound, but again, this is for you guys to see and within the tool. So now that I have it set up, I've already talked to them. They don't want their sidewalks or anything, so I'm going to select the two services that they did want. You go to the bottom, it shows triggers that you can have preset to whatever yours are. My company, we offer 0 tolerance, 1-inch trigger, and 2-inch. They're going to be a 1-inch trigger if I understood it correct. There's their information, there's their address, and then you can go in and click new snow estimate or whatever you want. You can add a personalized email, and then when you click submit, it emails it out to the client. They see it, they get it, and they can move forward. Thanks and have a great day.